Today I'm going to show you how to make these adorable teabag bookmarks without sewing, so let's get started. You'll need a tube of speedsew fabric glue, some twine, fabric of your choice, fabric scissors, and a ruler. Start by grabbing your ruler and measure 6 inches along the fabric and cut off the excess. Now turn your fabric and cut it 2.5 inches wide. So now that you have your 6 by 2.5 inch strip for the body of the teabag, you can fold the fabric in half to check if the lines match and if they're straight and even. Now with the leftover fabric, cut a small strip that is 2.5 inches long and 1.5 inches wide for the teabag tag. Now grab your speedsew fabric glue, a Q-tip for a precise application, and a dish or container lid to squeeze the speedsew onto. Have your fabric facing upright and apply glue to both sides. Then fold the fabric back over and apply pressure to where you glued. Now grab the smaller piece of fabric and apply glue along one side, then along the top, and then fold the fabric over and apply pressure. Once both components are dry, turn them right side out, and you can use a pencil or pen to poke out the corners. Once that is done, press the corners of the open side of the teabag in, creating a triangle shape. Then open up the triangle, and on each side, fold the tips of the triangle in, then fold both sides back together, creating the teabag shape. And pin this to the same place. Now grab the teabag tag and fold in the rough edges on all sides, and I find it easiest to do with a pencil. Now grab your twine and cut a piece no longer than 5 inches. Then grab your teabag tag and put glue in the hole, then insert the twine and apply pressure, and then pin it together. Now unpin your teabag and carefully fold down one side. Place the twine in the middle and start applying glue. Then apply pressure, pin it, and wait for it to dry for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you can take the pins out, and just like that, you created an adorable teabag bookmark. Thanks for watching!